You're watching CTOM TV. Knowledge is power.
And then there's overexpression. And overexpression is what we call a epigenetic process in most cases. So all of our cells in our body have the same genes. The reason we have different tissues in our body is some genes are turned on in some tissues and other genes are turned off in other tissues that are turned on. So we have differential gene expression. In other words, expression basically means a gene is turned on or off. Overexpression means it's turned on for too long and it's constantly turned on. Underexpression means it's not turned on for as long as it's supposed to be. So overexpression is something that happens typically in cancers. It's an epigenetic process, as I mentioned. And so our our cells create different tissues using the same genes by turning on some genes and then turning off other genes. So theoretically, we have the genes to grow wings if we wanted to. And if we could turn those on, we could grow wings, in theory, of course. But they're never turned on in humans. And so that's because epigenetic control prevents those genes from being turned on. And so what happens in cancers is there's changes in the genes that control this epigenetic regulation. They get mutated as well. And then all of a sudden, genes that are supposed to be turned off get turned on, and they get turned on too long. And that is a cancerous process as well.
Thank you for watching CTOM TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.